Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Thursday. So today I'm going to go through the sheet that I've sent home. So I'm going to try and do a little bit more detail today. So first of all, in English, you're going to be watching that story again, The Peasant Prince. Now we're going to be doing a bit of learning based on that book. So you're going to know this book inside and out. You're going to listen to it a fair few times. Now, the first attachment that I've put in there, the major events, doesn't seem to be opening. So I want you to not worry about that at all, okay? Now, once you've watched the book, you've got 2 sheets to complete. Now, you don't have to print these sheets off. You can write them in your book if you like. So the first one is looking at the mother's character traits. So you're going to be looking at adjectives and verbs that describe the mum. All right. So an adjective, remember, is a describing word that describes the noun, and a verb is an action word. All right. The next one is answering just a few questions from the mum's point of view. So you need to imagine that you're the mum and you need to answer those questions on that sheet. I'd love some photos of this work if you could send them through. You don't have to, that's optional, but I'd love to see you guys attacking those activities. Also, don't forget to do your daily reading, your writing, and also your magic words. Year 2 maths. Now, I've got a game there. It's an addition game. It's called Funky Mummy. It's pretty cool. I had a bit of a play with it last night. So there's different levels. I want you to just have a play around. You might start simple and then challenge yourself and have a bit of fun. For the resources today that you can print out, the first one, it says the addition fact cards. Now, these cards you can print out, cut them out, and you play a game with them. So with a piece of paper or a whiteboard, I've actually just done one up here, you're going to rule it up so you have 9 squares. Okay, and then you're just going to pick any number between 0 and, I'd say, 20, and then it's like bingo. All right, so I'm going to pick my numbers for today. I'm going to go 4, 7, 11, 15, 9, 14, 1. 1 might be a bit tricky though. All right. 3 and what's another one? I'm going to go 13. So once you have all your different numbers, and you can play all by yourself or you can play with somebody else, you have all those addition fact cards face down and you turn them over randomly. Say the number fact out loud and then see if you have the answer on your board. If you have the answer on your board, you can put a cross through that number. Now, it's the first one to get a line. 3 cross, 3 down, or 3 diagonal. Or you could even challenge yourself and see who can finish all of those, the whole board, instead of just the line. So you can play that a couple of times. You'll always have a different result because you can write down different answers in those squares. The other one is bridging 10 facts. I'm just going to open that up so I can read the instructions to you. So with this one, again, you'll need to print it off, and then you have some fact cards at the end that you'll need to cut out. It says each player draws a number fact card from the pile. So again, randomly selecting a number card. In turn, each player says the selected fact. So just say it's 8 plus 3. You would say 8, add 3 more, or 8 plus 3, and write the sum. You'll either be player A or player B. Now, the player with the greatest sum, which is the total or the answer, wins the battle. So you'll have the winner column as well. So you can challenge each other. Again, you don't even need to print this off. You could probably do it on a piece of paper, in a book, or on a little whiteboard if you have one at home, just to save on printing. All right, back over here. Year 3 maths. I have a couple of games for you. It's called Chinese Dragon. I've given you 2 links there. One is about sequencing your numbers from 0 to 100. I know we're looking at 3-digit numbers, but I thought this would be a good little reminder, bit of revision anyway. The other one is Chinese Dragon ordering numbers from 0 to 999. So you'll get a selection of different numbers to put onto the dragon, and you need to put them in the correct order, okay? And the other one is a number expander. So again, that's looking at our place value. We have our 1s, our 10s, and our 100s for you. I haven't given you any numbers to put in there, but I thought you could put your own numbers in there, expand it out, have a look how many hundreds there are, how many tens there are, and how many ones there are. And then you can close down the expander and actually read the number as we would normally say it. All right, the last thing that I want you to do today is the HAS. So that was for the people that didn't get to finish it yesterday, or if you'd like to spend a little bit more time. Now, if you're one of those people that did get it done yesterday, or you get your work done pretty early today, I want you to jump back to that weekly overview document and have a look at some of those links. I absolutely love the ABC Education website. Heaps of cool videos and games and resources on there. So let me know, give me an email or call the school if you need my help today. All right, have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.